How to add payment method on Shopify. Go to settings. Here you can see payments. Shopify payment is very convenient to use. So my recommendation is to activate Shopify payment. The only downside is that it is available in limited countries. You can easily activate Shopify payment. If you want any other payment method, you can click it here. You can search payment method as well, like Master or Visa. You can select the one you like it. Let's say I want this payment method, click here. You can easily install it by clicking it here. You can also search by provider as well. Let's say Klarna. You can see different payment providers. You can choose the one you want. Click it here and click it here, and you can easily install it. If you want to add manual payment methods, payments made outside your online store, you can click here and you can choose cash on delivery, money order, bank deposit, or create custom payment method. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can contact me here at my LinkedIn profile or send me a message to my email. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.